The first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok account, of course. And let's say that like the account that you're trying to find, it's like your favorite creator or some of the creators that you're looking for maybe on TikTok. And let's say that you have actually searched for their account and you cannot find it. Well, then actually there is a couple of reasons for that. The first reason might be that that creator has actually deleted their TikTok account. Maybe that creator doesn't want to be on TikTok anymore, and that is why they have deleted their account. The second reason might be that actually TikTok deleted their account. Maybe that creators was actually like going something against the rules on TikTok, and that is why TikTok decided to delete their account basically. The third reason might be that that account or that creator has actually chosen to basically change their username on TikTok, and that is why you cannot find that account by their old username. But if that account is your own account on TikTok and that is like the thing that you're trying to fix, let's say that your one of your accounts on TikTok, you cannot find it anymore. Well, then actually there is a way to fix this, and the first way is going to be for you to go into another TikTok account. So you need to actually create one new account on TikTok to be able to make this work. And then when you have done so, then you should be taken to this profile right here, or to your profile. And now when you're on your profile, then you're going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now in here, click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down in here and then click on report a problem. It's just going to load, and perfect. Now we should be taken to this page right here. Now scroll down in here, scroll all the way down and click on submit a report in here, as you can see. And then you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. Now you need to write exactly like this to be able to make this work. So write like this: I am having issues with not finding account. And now write the exact username of that account on TikTok. It keeps saying account not found. I need this to be fixed because that account exists on TikTok and is not breaking any rules. So write exactly like this now to TikTok: I'm having issues with not finding account, and then write the exact username of that account. It keeps saying account not found. I need this to be fixed because that account exists on TikTok and it's not breaking any rules. Now click on submit. Wait about 24 to 48 hours after that, and hopefully after that this problem will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.